The MRA has been a remarkable catalyst for change and the advances that we're seeing in melanoma.
In the past few years, MRA has given out close to $8 to $10 million a year, so this is a huge amount of funding. And really the committee is charged with finding the best of the best.
We have a scientific strategy that is created with the input of our scientific advisory panel, with input from our board, from patients. It's thoughtfully constructed to take us forward.
There are many, many worthy applications and scientific ideas that we're not able to find, and what the committee tries to do is bring together a group of experts to really pick those projects that really can make the biggest impact in the shortest period of time.
Melanoma has really led the way in two areas, one being immunotherapy and the other being targeted therapies. Many of the rules or paradigms that are the guideposts now for using immune-based drugs to treat any kind of cancer were established first in melanoma. A lot of the work about treatment resistance mechanisms for both targeted therapies and immunotherapies was funded through MRA grants. This is one area where MRA has really played a leadership role and has had a great impact.
Some of the most exciting things going on in the last few years have been in advanced disease with new drugs and combination therapies. But one of the biggest opportunities to prevent melanoma deaths is really at the early end of the disease where I work. Both in forms of primary prevention, avoiding getting it in the first place, and especially early detection.
Out of all the cancer types, melanoma was always the model system in which to develop immune therapies. But now I think it's going to be possible to take these concepts to other kinds of cancers, which is another one of our goals.
We're going to learn how to do combination strategies in a smarter way. We're going to learn how to sequence these therapies in a smarter way, and we'll keep building on the success that we've seen so far. The grants that are selected goes through a highly rigorous process with experts truly reviewing the grants.
It's a very, very senior group who participate in the review of those proposals that we receive.
I think that through the MRA grant mechanism, you're able to fund state-of-the-art transformational science. We have seen really remarkable, exceptional responders, patients who we may even say are cured. I have to say it's the first time in a 25-year career that I'm beginning to use the word cure for patients with advanced melanoma.
Well, many people are very young, the patients that get melanoma. They have a big life ahead of them, so it's up to us to make the treatments last a lifetime.